Clive Denny in number 2. Peter Hardesty in number 3. Give them a big round of applause as they park up. Peter Borchert flying this fantastic aeroplane, which he built himself. Earlier this year I had the pleasure of completing an air-to-air photo shoot with this aeroplane. Had it alongside for about 10 or 15 minutes with the smoke system working beautifully, with Peter flying lovely, and the pictures were great on a lovely clear blue sky day like today. And it really is a pretty spectacular aeroplane up close. Once it comes back in, have a good look. It took Peter about 5 years to build from a set of plans. He's an engineer originally, but he changed his life a number of years ago when he went into architectural design. And thank goodness he's kept his engineering skills up, because this was not an easy aeroplane to build, but the result is a perfect aeroplane. Peter's been around this display scene since early last year with this aeroplane, but this is the first time he's been at Little Gransden. But talking with him earlier today, he was saying how much he was looking forward to flying around the interesting display line. Some interesting statistics. The aeroplane's quite small in size, with a wingspan of just 7 metres and weighs just 750 kilos. It's got a 426 horsepower. Peter's aircraft is one of only 3 that have been built in the UK, and it will only certainly go around the UK air display circuit. Peter's not new to air display flying. He was a member of the Yakovlev's team flying a Yak 50 very many years ago, and has since displayed a number of World War II aircraft as well as a number of other high-performance aircraft. The other interesting number about today is, on lots of these manoeuvres, Peter will be pulling up to 6G. But if you take Peter's 13 stone weight, 6G will mean that the weight actually on his body in the cockpit will be 78 stone. Well, you can imagine Now, the first thing to note is a complete lack of smoke. This aeroplane doesn't have any smoke system fitted, and Peter's will be demonstrated standard aerobatic manoeuvres from some of the aeroplanes later. But what this aeroplane is capable of is grace. Beautiful, graceful routines. And hopefully you all can see there, eating your ice lollies, drinking your cold drinks, watching and enjoying. Peter's a consultant neurosurgeon who works at Addenbrooke's Hospital. He's been there for over 30 years. And Peter describes many similarities between aerobatic flying and neurosurgery. He says it's all about planning, practice and doing no harm. I couldn't put it better myself. Ladies and gentlemen, a public announcement. Would Una Phelan please come to the crow's nest as soon as possible, please? Una Phelan to the crow's nest, please.